Introducing the OREI BK-EXB400R-K, a professional-grade HDMI 2.1 HDBaseT extender engineered to deliver ultra-high-definition video and audio over long distances without compromising quality. Ideal for home theaters, corporate installations, or control centers, it ensures seamless performance for demanding AV setups. Supporting resolutions up to 8K at 40 gigabits per second bandwidth, the BK-EXB400R-K provides crisp, smooth visuals. HDBaseT technology enables long-distance transmission over a single CAT6, 6A, and 7 cable, up to 90 meters at 8K or 4K 120, 120 meters at 4K 60, and 150 meters at 1080p 60, while maintaining full HDR support, including HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG, plus gaming features like VRR, FBA, and ALLM. Audio is equally impressive with support for LPCM, Dolby Atmos, Dolby TrueHD, DTS-HD master audio, and analog audio extraction. Bi-directional IR, RS-232, CEC control, and EDD/IP dip switch configuration provide full system integration. Compact and reliable, the BK-EXB400R-K ensures a future-proof solution for long-range, high-quality AV transmission.